The Teroxx community, welcome to our weekly crypto news and market update. And Bitcoin hits a new 6-week high as Ethereum liquidated more and more shorts. So Bitcoin went up from 19.2 all the way up and then built a resistance at around 21k. So quite a nice uptrend here in Bitcoin in the last week. But analysts staying a little bit more bearish than a few people inside the markets are right now. So what is visible in the market? We touched an area where we have no resistance zone. So the next resistance zone all in all is around 23k. A positive sign would be to consolidate, have a good fat meeting and going straight up. A more realistic one is going back to the support areas we know and we are aware of due to the last weeks, and then to see where we're going from there. Due to what could bring pressure to the market is the dollar index. Since February, we are in a positive trend channel for the dollar index, and always when it went down or touched the resistance band of the trend channel, it went up. At the moment, we are at this trend channel bottom again. So if it's going up, stocks and crypto will go down. If this is a long-lasting trend turnaround, so the dollar index going weaker and weaker, this would be bullish for the markets, investment markets, but this is not visible yet. So we need to take an eye on this sooner or later. And the liquidations of the shorts went huge. So shorts were out of the market, washed out. So as well here, this bear pump could as well be just for liquidate the shorts. The FTX CEO dissects Mark Zuckerberg's intent to pump 10 billion per year into Meta. So Meta, Facebook wants to build a metaverse and they are pumping $10 billion per year inside because Zuckerberg said 100 billion could be a number that we will see very soon based on market cap of the metaverse. But this is the current graphics. And this is why people laughed at Mark Zuckerberg and why this is no success yet. Because this looks like a game from the early 2000s and is nothing where people would like to stay in instead of going outside in the future. So we've seen that a lot of trouble and pressure is coming to Zuckerberg and Meta regarding to the metaverse. And Bankman-Fried, the FTX CEO, said they stopped growing because there was no more room to grow. He said Facebook was so big that he don't know where it should go to. So basically, Meta is now a new room where Facebook or like Mark Zuckerberg's company can grow into. If this is a success, we will see. However, this is quite interesting. The metaverse is seeing big troubles at the moment and could be penny stocks sooner or later. Merger brings down Ethereum's network power consumption by over 99.9%. This is what was said before and now we already seen it. It is already there. So it's already affecting the market in the positive way. Only 0.01 terawatt hour per year will be consumed by the POS system. And here we can see the energy consumption for different companies: YouTube, gold mining, Bitcoin proof of work mining, Ethereum former proof of work, and Ethereum proof of stake now. So here we can see how the downtrend of the energy consumption took place, and this is as well why the merge was so important and so successful. If we take a look on the last 7 days, we can see greens everywhere. Ripple is a little bit down, but all the others are up 1 or even 2 digits. So all in all, quite a bullish week that we have seen the last 7 days. And this as well visible in the market cap, went from around 930 to 920 up to over 1 billion, so 1 trillion, so around 100 billion up within 1 week, underlining the strong uptrend in the market. And if we take a look on Bitcoin, then we easily can see we had low volatile range and support building around 19,100 to 200. Then we went straight up to 21k. This is an uptrend of around 9 to 10%. So a resistance that we are still seeing right now, smaller sell-offs, and now hanging here at between 20 and 21k. However, since we broke through the resistance and through 20k, there was literally no real push since then. So since 5 days, there is no real push, and we are in a low volatile range once again. So the next steps would be to hold 20k and then to go up from here, or to go up directly, or to break through 20k and then tumbling down again towards 19,000. This will be the case when stocks are not positive and the Fed meeting will affect the markets negative, but this is too early to state. If we're taking a look on Ethereum, you can see quite a different scenario. So in Ethereum, we have seen that we are in a phase where we had a strong support down here at 1,340, and then we went all the way up to 1,650. So quite a huge uptrend in 2 waves, with a resistance building at around 1,580. So 2 uptrends in Ethereum over the last week. First one was 17%, then another one of around 10% with the support building at 1.5. So as well, Ethereum is really alive and is showing that people will come into this market once we have a huge push in the market. For Ethereum got the same. So if stocks are going down, Ethereum will go down. If stocks are going up, Ethereum will go up. But if we take a look on the futures starting, then we can see, despite the strong European market, negative profit-taking market in the US, and tomorrow there will be FOMC meeting, the Federal Reserve meeting tomorrow, 2nd and 1st of November, with the release dates on 2nd November. So this can and will affect the markets too. I hope you like this video. If you do so, I would love you to comment, like, or share this video, and we'll see us next time when it comes to weekly crypto news and market update provided by Teroxx.